Mastering correlative conjunctions. Fill in the blanks. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fantastic topic: correlative conjunctions. These are powerful tools that help you connect and compare different ideas in your sentences, making your English more fluent and expressive. Our focus will be on practicing with some fill-in-the-blank exercises to strengthen your understanding. Before we start with the exercises, let's quickly recap what correlative conjunctions are. These are pairs of words, like either, not only but also, both and, that work together to coordinate words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. They ensure balance and continuity in your sentences. For instance, take a look at this sentence. I not only love reading books, but also enjoy writing stories. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some fill-in-the-blank exercises. I'll provide you with a sentence that's missing some words, and your task is to fill in the blanks with the appropriate correlative conjunction. Here's an example. 1. He likes blank, playing soccer, blank, watching football. In this sentence, you should fill in the blanks with either, and, or, to get. He likes either playing soccer or watching football. Now, let's see if you can do some on your own. Try these. You can have blank, the apple, blank, the orange. She is blank, a teacher, blank, a lawyer. I'll give you a moment to think about it now. Let's see the answers. You can have either the apple or the orange. She is both a teacher and a lawyer. If you found those exercises easy, let's try some more challenging ones. The dog was blank, friendly, blank, playful. The restaurant is blank, inexpensive, blank, delicious. Once again, take your time to think about it. Ready for the answers? The dog was both friendly and playful. The restaurant is not only inexpensive but also delicious. Well done, everyone. We've now covered the basics of correlative conjunctions and you've done some practical fill-in-the-blank exercises. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these conjunctions in your writing and speaking to make your English more advanced and natural. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Keep practicing, and happy learning!